Then use of technology to improve job efficiency and delivery. Like when some of us came here, we did not really have that full computer literacy, but now I believe we can do so many things that we couldn't do before.
As you know, today we are all presenting from our different work streams, and this presentation is going to take 5 minutes from each work stream. 5 minutes from each work streams: people, structure, process, implementation, then PMO. Right away, I'm going to call on the people's representative to give us.
Good morning all. My name is Paul Totubo. I'm representing the people's work stream. I'm giving the work done so far, the report, and what we have to do moving forward. Now, the people work stream, we are divided into sub-units. We have deliverables from different units, in the sense that we have a general name, which is the people work stream, but each sub-unit has a deliverable. We are divided into MAPA, audit, and accounting, which is the first one. We have the competency management. We have the resource planning team, performance management, training and development.
How does that play in line with the civil service rules? How does that affect or change anything when you compare it to the civil service rules?
Civil service in general, you hardly see adverts. But in other countries, they advertise.
Well, they advertise the civil service?
Yes, but not in Okeda. See, from level 7.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Etienne, on behalf of Structure Work Stream. Now, the Structure Work Stream, we have the responsibility of putting together the as-is organizational charts and everything that has to do with those state civil service. Every member of the Structure Work Team is here to support her. Thank you very much.
Amosazua is your sir, like you rightly said. I'm going to actually put us through the activities we've been doing from the inception of this project till date. For our key deliverables, we've been able to establish guiding and design principles and new operating models for these MDAs. Yes. So for our escalations, low level of cooperation from some MDAs. So this could be because they feel too many persons are coming to collect information from them. So that is actually a setback for some of us. Then use of technology to improve job efficiency and delivery. Like when some of us came here, we did not really have that full computer literacy or something like that. But now, I believe we can do so many things that we couldn't do before.
So first, I want to commend you. I like the presentation. And I like the first presentation also. The fact that I didn't openly commend you doesn't mean I don't like it. I liked it also. And I also like the points you put there for the lessons learned about working with and meeting deadlines, very important. And also paying attention to detail, very important also. But my questions to you, I have two. You spoke about inadequate synergies between work streams, you know, and you gave some examples. So what are your suggestions for improving that?
Particular information for the Ministry of Justice. So I have this, he has this, we just bring everything together. Then we will know which information is missing. Not as if we will go there to ask for any missing information. We will know here. You just ask yourselves here. So if there's anyone that is missing, we'll go there. So I think the experienced analyst or the consultant should have a regular meeting. So that's
it is around this, and I know both with the senior analysts and consultants. I think even 2 or 3 weeks ago we had one. I think we did, and we agreed that every Monday, all consultants and we have to agree where they are going to, and so they can agree and know where to go to. Secondly, in the Dropbox, we were also told that if you bring any document in here and you scan it, make sure you put it on the Dropbox so anybody can have access to it. So that's when, so I think the whole thing is about implementation. So the plan is there, but I've just realized from what they're saying that either we're not following through or people are not doing what they're supposed to do. Yeah, but I just want to support what you just said in terms of solutions.
I'm representing the process team, and I'll be talking about transformation and enhancement of the civil service and what we've been doing as a process team. Okay. So for our key deliverables, we have the process description, the best practices, the process mapping, and quick wins. I'll quickly explain what quick wins are. These are things that we can implement in the project that will not cost us much, but will make a very big impact on the Civil Service Commission. But we're facing internet access as well. We do a lot of research, and so we need the internet to be at the optimal level so that we can be able to go online as a vendor and get the information that we need. Also, for our deliverables for the end of August, we have detailed process mapping. We're currently working on introducing swim lanes and sub-processes in our process mapping and our descriptions. You need to have patience with the staff at the FDAs, if not, you will not be able to get the required information from them. Even when they are agitated, you just have to be calm. Okay? As a team, we've also learned that field visits in teams of 2s and 3s gives you optimal results that may go as just one person, because your team members are able to pick up on information that you might have missed during the interview process.
The second intervention with the process owner, and you go back and you realize that what the person is telling you is even different from the first 3 processes that you've had. Did you have that experience, and if you did, how did you handle that? Look out for that actually.
So good afternoon everybody, I'm process team, I'm Arabome. So after what you say, most of the time, instead of going back and forth to the MDs, we actually get the data and we validate there and there. We validate, that's the reason for requestioning and requestioning. And some of our experiences, when we ask, we're like, okay, you said to do this. They'll be like, no, okay, hold on. Because they actually know we are validating.
Exactly.
Representing the implementation team in today's presentation. Okay, first of all, I'll be looking at our overall work team deliverable. Our work team deliverable is to implement the recommendations from phase 1. One of those are to compile and conclude on documentation required for selection into the new organization. Also, it's to roll out MOF and OAG training, and to implement the training courses. Then also is to centralize and clean up the MOF and OAG database. Then also is to determine the core values, mission and vision for Edo State Civil Service. HSE training. HSE has to be called Health, Safety and Environment Training for civil servants. Any questions?
For the training,
good afternoon everyone. My name is Valentina Osumade and I'm presenting the Project Management Office workstream. The Project Management Office workstream is saddled with the responsibility of managing the day-to-day activities, operational and management capabilities of this project to ensure this project is able to achieve its key deliverables. Also, we're also saddled with the responsibility of producing the interim, inception and final reports of this project. Then also, so far we've submitted the inception report for this project. We are currently designing the structure for the interim report of this project.
I saw a lot of teamwork and collaboration, a lot of experience and skills being built, and a lot of working to deliver results. I think that's very, very important, not just for this project. In your career going forward, these are things that you need to hold on to. No matter where you find yourself after this project, if you're still staff of Greenfield, you join the civil service, you move to Canada, you do anything. These are things that you need that's going to help you in your career going forward. Sorry, the last one. Somebody mentioned happy hour. That's, for me, you can say I was actually jumping when I saw that. I was very happy. We need to start doing that.